Hi, I'm Pallav from Just Tutors, and today we will learn about chemical properties of carbon compound in this video. So these are the points we will discuss. Well, chemical properties of carbon compounds, in which we will discuss combustion, oxidation, addition reaction, and substitution reaction. Well, before we move further, I want you to try these questions, so you can pause the video, try these, then we will move on. Well, these are the answers of given questions. I hope you got the correct answers, and if so, congratulations. Now let's move on. First one is combustion. Well, when carbon is burnt in presence of oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide, heat and light. So as you can see in the reaction, when carbon is burnt in the presence of oxygen, so it releases carbon dioxide and heat. In the same way, some other carbon compounds do the same. For example, we have methane, we have carbon monoxide, they do the same. We get carbon dioxide with heat. And if we talk about methane, when it is burnt in the presence of oxygen, we get carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. And if we talk about saturated hydrocarbons, they give clean flame, while unsaturated carbon compounds yellow flame with a lot of black smoke, and black smoke deposits soot. Now oxidation. So we know that oxidation, when the oxygen is added in the chemical compound, that is an oxidation. So if we talk about alcohol, it is converted to carboxylic acid on oxidation. Well, carbon compounds can easily get oxidized in combustion, but there are some substances which can add their oxygen to the carbon compound, like we have alkaline KMnO4, potassium permanganate. So these substances are called oxidizing agent. So here we have ethanol and we have alkaline KMnO4. So after oxidation, we get CS3COOH, which is a carboxylic acid. So these are the example of oxidizing agent: alkaline KMnO4 and acidified K2Cr2O7, which is potassium dichromate. Then we have addition reaction. In addition reaction, when we have unsaturated hydrocarbons and hydrogen is added in presence of some catalyst like nickel or palladium. So this reaction is called addition reaction, and we can also say it hydrogenation. So we can see that we have ethene here. When this ethene react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, we have ethane. And one good example is hydrogenation of vegetable oil using nickel. Now we have used catalyst here. So while catalyst doesn't take part in the reaction, but they are capable of accelerating or deaccelerating the chemical reaction. They don't affect the chemical process or the reaction process. Then we have substitution reaction. Here we can see when the chlorine reacts with methane, it gives us chloromethane and hydrochloric acid. One thing to notice here methane is saturated hydrocarbon, and saturated hydrocarbon doesn't react easily. But this is happening because this reaction is happening in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight, this reaction becomes very fast, and chlorine start replacing the hydrogen atom one by one. So as we can see that chlorine is substituting itself in place of hydrogen. So that's why such type of reactions are called substitution reaction. Now we have some questions, so you can pause the video, try these questions, then we'll check the answers. Well, these are the answers of given questions. I hope you got the correct answers. And if this is so, congratulations. Thanks for watching this video. For more, you can visit justtutors.com. Thank you.